Hey everyone, it's Wasim from HealthyWisdomWeave and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something we all share, our bones. That's right, the very framework that keeps us standing tall. You know me, I'm all about simple, practical advice to help you live your best life, and taking care of your bones is non-negotiable. We're going to explore all the fun and easy ways you can keep those bones healthy and happy, from the food you eat to the activities you love. So, if you're ready to learn how to build an unbreakable you, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, team, let's talk bone basics. Did you know that our bones are actually living tissue? They're constantly remodeling themselves, breaking down old bone and building up new bone. But here's the catch. As we age, that rebuilding process slows down. That's why it's crucial to prioritize bone health throughout our lives, especially in those younger years when our bone bank is still accepting deposits. Think of it like this. Imagine your bones are like a savings account. You want to make as many deposits as possible while you're young so that you have a good reserve later on in life. We're talking about an increased risk of osteoporosis, which makes your bones weak and brittle, making them more susceptible to fractures. I'm here to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to build strong, resilient bones that will keep you going strong for decades to come. So stick with me, because in the next few chapters we're going to unlock the secrets to a lifetime of healthy bones. All right, let's get moving. One of the most effective ways to build strong bones is through weight-bearing exercises. And no, I don't mean you have to pump iron at the gym 24/7, unless you want to, of course. Weight-bearing simply means any activity where you're working against gravity. Think walking, jogging, dancing, even gardening, all fantastic ways to put your bones to work and make them stronger. When you engage in weight-bearing exercises, you're essentially giving your bones a gentle nudge, telling them to step up their game. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just lace up those sneakers and hit the pavement, crank up the music and dance like nobody's watching. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building strong bones. Now let's talk about fueling those bones from the inside out. Just like we need the right building blocks to construct a strong house, our bones need a steady supply of essential nutrients to stay healthy and robust. So, what are these bone-building superstars? First up, we have calcium, the MVP of bone health. You can find this mineral in dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, as well as leafy green vegetables, almonds, and fortified foods. Next, we have vitamin D, which acts like a calcium facilitator, helping your body absorb and utilize this crucial mineral. Sunlight is a great source of vitamin D, but you can also find it in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, egg yolks, and fortified foods. And let's not forget about magnesium. This mineral plays a vital role in bone formation and helps regulate calcium levels in the body. Load up on magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, black beans, and avocado. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the foundation for overall health, including strong and resilient bones. Chapter 4. Get your sunshine, vitamin D. All right, folks, it's time to soak up some sunshine. We already touched on how important vitamin D is for bone health, and one of the best ways to boost your vitamin D levels is by simply spending time outdoors. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight exposure a few times a week, allowing your skin to naturally produce this essential vitamin. But remember, moderation is key. While some sun exposure is beneficial, too much can be harmful to your skin, so be sure to protect yourself with sunscreen, especially during peak hours, and wear protective clothing like hats and sunglasses. And if you live in a place with limited sunlight during certain times of the year, don't worry. You can always talk to your doctor about incorporating a vitamin D supplement into your routine. Chapter 5. Strength training. Let's pump up those muscles and bones with some strength training. Now, before you shy away, thinking you need to be a bodybuilder to reap the benefits, let me assure you that strength training can be adapted to any fitness level. In fact, you can start with simple bodyweight exercises that you can do right at home. Think squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups and put just enough stress on your bones to stimulate growth. If you're new to strength training, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. And remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 sessions of strength training per week, targeting different muscle groups each time. You'll be amazed at how much stronger and more resilient your bones and muscles will become with regular strength training. Chapter 6. Don't forget to stretch. All right, let's loosen up those muscles and joints with some stretching. While stretching might not directly build bone density, it plays a crucial role in maintaining flexibility, balance, and range of motion. Think about it. When your muscles are tight and your joints are stiff, you're more likely to lose your balance and take a tumble. But when you prioritize stretching, you're keeping your body limber and resilient, reducing your risk of falls and subsequent injuries. Incorporate stretching into your daily routine, whether it's a few minutes of gentle stretches after waking up or a dedicated yoga or Pilates session. Remember, stretching should never be painful. Listen to your body and ease into each stretch, holding it for 15 to 30 seconds and breathing deeply. All right, folks, let's talk about the importance of staying hydrated. Now, you might be thinking, what does water have to do with my bones? Well, more than you might think. Water plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including transporting nutrients to your cells and flushing out waste products. And guess what? Your bones are no exception. When you're dehydrated, your body struggles to deliver those essential bone-building nutrients like calcium and vitamin D to where they need to go. Plus, dehydration can lead to fatigue and dizziness, increasing your risk of falls and fractures. So how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on water throughout the day. Chapter 8. Get enough sleep. Time to talk about everyone's favorite topic, sleep. Now, you might be surprised to learn that getting enough shut-eye is crucial for strong and healthy bones. Why? Because sleep is prime time for your body to repair and regenerate tissues, including your bones. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which stimulates bone growth and repair. Skimp on sleep and you're essentially depriving your bones of this vital recovery time. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal bone health. Remember, prioritizing sleep is an investment in your overall health, including the health of your bones. Chapter 9. Avoid these bone breakers. We've talked a lot about the things you'll be doing for strong bones, but let's shift gears and talk about some habits that can sabotage your bone health. First up, we have smoking. We all know smoking is detrimental to our health, but it's especially harmful to our bones. Smoking interferes with calcium absorption and weakens bone density, making you more susceptible to fractures. Next, let's talk about excessive alcohol consumption. While a glass of wine now and then is unlikely to cause harm, excessive alcohol intake can interfere with bone formation and increase your risk of falls. And finally, let's address the sugary elephant in the room, soda. Sodas are loaded with phosphorus, which can leach calcium from your bones. So if you're serious about building strong bones, ditch the sugary drinks and opt for water, milk, or unsweetened beverages instead. Chapter 10. Wrapping it up. There you have it. Simple yet powerful strategies to build and maintain strong, healthy bones for life. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start prioritizing your bone health. Whether you're just starting out on your bone-building journey or looking for ways to maintain your bone strength as you age, incorporating these tips into your lifestyle can make a world of difference. So, get moving. Eat a balanced diet, soak up some sunshine, prioritize sleep, and ditch those bone-breaking habits. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to keep your bones strong and healthy? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Outro: live better, live longer. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and easy to incorporate into your daily life. And remember, at Healthy Wisdom Weave, we believe in living better, living longer, and having fun while we're at it. So get out there, enjoy life, and keep those bones strong. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.